Hi, my name is Gareth Brown from Rich Games for Learning. I'm going to share with you a multiplication game called Multiple Buckets, where players need to move their buckets around the grid, multiplying the number they land on by the number of the bucket to equal a target number. The player who equals all the target numbers first is the winner. So to start multiple buckets, each player has 4 coloured counters starting at the top and bottom. And these are called buckets. Players take turns, and during a turn, a player can move one bucket 1, 2 or 3 spaces either vertically or horizontally. So purple could go 1, 2 spaces, or 1, 2, 3, or just 1 space. And when a player has one bucket out, so purple has this bucket out, they're not allowed to use any more counters or buckets. If they want to move one of these ones, they have to move this bucket back into its place and then move another one. The aim of the game is to reach the target numbers. Whichever player reaches all of their target numbers first is the winner. If neither player can reach all of the target numbers and only a few, then the winner is the player with the most target numbers. Okay, yellow player 1's going to move first, and they're going to get the number 2 bucket and move 1, 2, 3 spaces to the 8. Now they've got using the number 2 bucket and they've landed on the 8, which means they multiply 2 by 8, which is 16 and a target number. So they colour that in. Now in this game, because they've used the 8 then gets crossed out. And either player can land on that, but they can't use the 8 to multiply. Purple's turn, they're going to move the number 10 bucket 1, 2 spaces to the 6. 10 times 6 is 60. So they've collected 60. And they cross out the 6. No one else can use it. Now there's no other target numbers yellow can reach by multiplying 2 with a number on the board. So they're going to have to move back to the 2 now and use one of these other buckets. So it's their turn. They're going to go 1, 2, 3. Now here, there's nothing else that yellow can do. The only way to get 27 is to times 3 by 9, but there's no other 9s left on the grid. The only way to get 21 is 3 times 7, but there's no more 7s left on the grid. And to get 25, they need to multiply 5 by 5, but there are no more 5s on the grid. And purple can't get 16 or 14, which means the game is finished, and the winner is purple because they collected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 target numbers, and yellow only collected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, thank you for watching. If you'd like to play multiple buckets with your children, then to download it, it's part of my free Math Games for Grades K-6 resource. To download that, just put your name and email address in the box just below this video, click the button, and the link will be emailed straight to you.